Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do Grand Fouette and Tournant. Different ways to do it, in the barre, in the center, in sauté. So say that, let's get to it. The first Grand Fouette is going to be sideways to the barre, one hand on the barre and the other arm in second position. Arabesque and demi-plié first position. Your foot is going to brush through the floor, lift en avant in relevé and your base leg is going to move heel forward to à la seconde. And we continue moving to the other side, arabesque, down. We are going to repeat to the other side, this time slower, arabesque, demi-plié, arms to brava, brush through, relevé forward. Look at my base leg, how my heel move forward towards the barre, leg to la seconde, and keep going, moving forward, move forward, keeping the turn out and down. Next, we are going to do in the center, tendu forward, demi-plié in fourth position, brush through, tendu forward, relevé en avant, S, stretch, à la seconde, first arabesque, turn out of the base leg. Now, we can also do it from arabesque, relevé, demi-plié that ends to relevé, or we can do it jumping. I'm going to show you both. Grand Fouette that ends on relevé. Demi-plié, arms are going to do brava, first position, fifth position, plié. Now, when we do a jumping, it's very important that you focus that the action leg goes fast to a grand battement rather than doing a slow relevé. Your arms are going to hold the fifth position before going down to arabesque, and don't forget to keep your upright position, because once we jump and we land on that demi-plié, we need to control the demi-plié. And this is how it's gonna look like. Demi-plié, brush, plié. For more videos like this one, I would recommend you to click right here or check down below in the description of this video where I'm going to leave a ton of link for you on how to improve your ballet technique. So say that, go ahead, click your next video and let me know how it goes.